Hello everyone, Miss Rita here. Today in this video we are going to learn Algebra of class 10, chapter number 3, Arithmetic Progression, practice set number 3.1. Now student, sequence. Sequence means a set of number where the numbers are arranged in definite order, like the natural number is called a sequence. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8. They have the definite order, they have the distance of 2. One more example, 5, 10, 15. Here these number also in the sequence, they are arranged in the definite order, the distance of 5. So this type of order is called sequence. Terms in a sequence. In a sequence, ordered terms are represent T1, T2, T3. It's called like a term 1, term 2, term 3. It goes on increasing. The last term is known as a Tn. In general, sequence is written as Tn. If the sequence is infinite, for every positive integers n, there is a term Tn. N is represent the number of term. Let's do one activity. Some sequences are given below. So here 9, 15, 21, 27. In this 9 is the term 1, term 2 is 15, term 3 is 21, and term 4 is 27. Okay. In this way we write the terms. Now some important points related to this exercise. In a sequence, if the difference is constant means same, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. In short, we say AP. In an AP, the difference between two consecutive terms is constant and is denoted by D. So when the difference is constant, the sequence in AP, so the constant distance is known as the D. We write with the initial letter D. Difference D can be positive, negative or 0 also sometime. In an AP, if the first term is A, the first term is called A, and the common difference is called D. Then the term in the sequence are, the first term is A, the second term will be what? The first term plus distance. The third term will be the A plus 2D, means 2 distance. It goes on increasing. Okay. Now let's start the practice set number 3.1. The question number 1 is given. Which of the following sequence are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. So here the first question is given 2, 4, 6, 8. So first of all we'll write the terms. T1 is 2, T2 is 4, T3 is given 6, T4 is given 8. So here we need to find a common difference. So D equal to what formula we will use? T2 minus T1. So T2 value is 4 minus 2, we get answer 2. Now again we will find a D, T3 minus T2. So we will take this way, T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. We'll substitute the value. T3 is our 6, T2 is our 4. 6 minus 4 we get 2. Now the last one, the T4 is given, the T4 minus T3. So T4 value is given 8 minus 6, we get 2. Therefore, the common difference which is constant is D. If you see in the sum, the common difference came same, 2, 2, 2. So it is constant. When the common difference is constant, then we say that this sequence is an AP. If the common difference is not constant, then we say it is not an AP. Second sums. The second one we'll write the first sequence T1, T2, T3 and T4. So here our T1 is 2, T2 is 5 upon 2, T3 is 3, T4 is 7 upon 2. There is a correction in the textbook. Make it 7 upon 2. So to find a D, we need T2 minus T1. So T2 is our what? 5 upon 2 minus T1 is our what? 2. As how we read the mixed number, same way we have to read. We have to make the denominator same. So 2 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 upon 2 equal to 5 minus 4 we get what? 1. So our answer is 1 upon 2. So here we got the distance is 1 upon 2. Again we'll find a d equal to t3 minus t2. So t3 value is 3 and t2 value is our 5 upon 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5 upon 2. 6 minus 5 we get 1. So our second distance we got 1 upon 2. Now again the third one, d equal to t4 minus t3. T4 is given 7 upon 3 minus t3 is given our 3. Now 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 upon 2. So 7 minus 6 we get 1 upon 2. If you see in the sums, we got the common difference is 1 upon 2. Common difference which is constant, d it is 2, 1 upon 2. Therefore the sequence is an AP. Now the third one, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. Arrange this in the term. After writing term, use the formula t2 minus t1. t2 value is minus 6 minus t1 value is minus 10. We'll open the bracket, minus 6 minus minus plus 10. So 10 minus 6 we get 4. Now d equal to t3 minus t2. These are the formulas. So t3 value is what? Minus 2 and t2 value is minus 6. We'll open the bracket, minus 2 plus 6. We get the answer 4. d equal to t4 minus t3. t4 value is 2 and t3 value is our minus 2. Minus minus plus. So 2 plus 2 is our 4. So the common difference which is constant, d equal to 4. Therefore the sequence is also an AP, means arithmetic progression. Now fourth one is given 0.3, 0.33 and the correction is there 0.333. Okay, so we'll do the correction in that. t1 is 0.3, t2 is the 0.33, t3 is 0.333. So here d equal to t2 minus t1. t2 is given 0.33 minus 0.3. We'll subtract the this decimal number. So we'll get the answer 0.03. Now d equal to t3 minus t2. The last one is our t3 only. So t3 value is given 0.333 minus t2 is 0.33. So after subtracting we get 0.003. So both the difference is not same, it's not constant. Therefore this sequence is not an AP. Got it? Now the fifth one. The question is given 0, minus 4, minus 8 and minus 12. So this one is the, first of all we have to write the terms. The 4 terms are given. Use the formula t2 minus t1. t2 is minus 4 and t1 is 0. So minus plus 4 plus 0 is 4. A bigger number sign is minus. Now t3 minus t2. t3 value is minus 8 and t2 value is minus 4. We'll open the bracket first. We got minus 8 plus 4. The answer is minus 4 because 8 is bigger number. So we'll put minus 4. And d equal to t4 minus t3. The t4 value is minus 12. t3 value is minus 8. We'll open the bracket. Minus 12 minus minus plus 8. We get the minus 4. See the difference if you see minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Which is constant. Same. Therefore, these sequences are in an AP. Now next sum is minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. Give the term t1, t2, t3. We'll solve the formula with the same way. t2 minus t1. So in the bracket minus minus plus become. So 1 minus 1, 0 upon 5. When we are doing the subtraction of fraction, the denominator should be same. t3 minus t2. t3 value is minus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Open the bracket, this minus minus became plus. Here also we got the answer 0. So t4 value is not given. Then 2 I have done here by mistake. So here I have shown the value d is 0. The common difference is constant, that is D equal to 0. This sequence is an AP. Got it? Now let's do the seventh one. The question is given 3 plus under root 2, 3 plus 2 under root 2, 3 plus 3 under root 2. We'll put in the sequence, we'll write the terms. So D equal to T2 minus T1. So T2 value is what? 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 will cut, became root 2. Now T3 minus T2. T3 value is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus in the bracket 3 plus root 2. We'll open the bracket, the symbol will change. Minus 3 minus plus minus root 2. 3 will cut. 2 root 2 is given. Here 1 root 2 is given. From 2 root 2, 1 root 2 is cut. Then how much remain? 1 root 2. So will come 1 root 2. So 1 we do not write and show. Next one, D equal to T4 minus T3. The T4 value is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. Open the bracket. 3 cut. Here 3 root 2 is given. Here 2 root 2 is given. 3 minus 2, 1. Root 2 is the common. So the common difference which is constant is D is root 2. Therefore the sequence is an AP. Now the next one, the eighth one. 127, 132 and 137. Now this is very easy sums. You can do yourself. Here you will get the common difference is 5. 132 minus 127 we get 5. So common difference we are getting 5. Therefore the sequence is an AP. Okay. Now question number 2 is given. Which an AP whose first term is a common is A. The first term is the A and the common difference is D in each of the following. The first question is given. A value is given 10 and D's value is given 5. So we have to write an AP. When we are writing the AP, we have to write in the order form, in the sequence. So to finding A, the first term means the A equal to T1 equal to 10. So the first term is given. Now we have to find next three term. T2 equal to T1 plus D. T1 we have the value 10 plus 5 became 15. For T3 we have to do T2 plus D. T2 value is how much? 15 we got, plus D we have 5. 15 plus 5, 20. T4, T3 plus D. T3 value is 20 plus 5, we get 25. So the first term is 10, second term is 15, third term is 20 and the fourth term is 25. AP is 10, 15, 20 and 25. It will goes on increasing. Same way we will do the second one. The A equal to T1, that is our term, first term minus 3. For T2 what we will do? T1 plus D. T1 value is minus 3 plus 0. We will get the minus 3 only. For T3 what we will do? T2 plus D. T2 value is minus 3 plus 0 is minus 3 only. T4 value is formula is T3 plus D. So T3 value we got minus 3 plus 0, we get minus 3. Therefore AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 and minus 3. The fourth one, the A value is given minus 7, D value is given 1 upon 2. So term 1 we have minus 7. So term 1 plus D. For getting the T2 we need T1 plus D. T1 is minus 7 plus 1 upon 2. So again we got the mixed number 2 7 ja 14, minus 14 upon plus 1 upon 2, we get minus 13 upon 2. We can divide and show here minus 6.5 also, or you can write in the fraction also. T2 plus D. For finding the T3 we need to do T2 plus D. T2 value is minus 13 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So denominator 2 is common, minus 13 plus 1 upon 2. So from 13 we minus 1 we get minus 12 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. Minus 6 we got the answer. T3 plus D. T3 value is minus 6 plus 1 upon 2. Again mixed number 2 6 ja 12 plus 1. upon 2. So 12 minus 1 we get minus 11 upon 2. If we divide minus 11 upon 2 we get minus 5.5, or you can keep in the fraction form also. Therefore AP is minus 7 minus 13 upon 2 minus 6 minus 11 upon 2. Now the next sum is the fourth one. A equal to minus 1.25, D equal to 3. So T1 we have already, that is the A, minus 1.25. For getting a T2 we need T1 plus D. So T1 is minus 1.25 plus 3. If we subtract, the 3 is not given in the decimal, we'll put in the decimal 3.00. So it will be easy for you to subtract. So we get the answer minus 1.75. Why we got the positive answer? Because the bigger number is 3, the sign is plus. T3 equal to T2 minus T2 plus D. T2 value is 1.75 we got, plus D value is 3. So 3 will write in the decimal 3.00 and we'll add the 1.75. We get 4.75. T4 equal to T3 plus D. T3 we got 4.75 plus D value is we have 3. So adding this number we get 7.75. So AP is minus 1.25, 1.75, 4.75 and 7.75. The fifth one you can do yourself, do as a classwork. I hope you understood how to solve these sums, how to find the AP, how to write the given number in the AP. We have to need to find the 3 terms. So here we got the 3 terms. T1 is already 6 is given. Next 3 term we got 3 and 0 and minus 3. These are our AP. Now the sixth one, A is given minus 19 and D is given minus 4. T1 is the minus 19. So T2 equal to T1 plus D. T1 is minus 19 plus minus 4. We'll open the bracket. So we got minus 23. T3 equal to T2 plus D. T2 value is minus 23 plus minus 4. Minus minus plus 23 plus 4 minus 27. Same way we'll get a T4 also. We got the answer minus 31. So minus 19, minus 23, minus 27 and minus 31 are our AP. Okay. Now student will start the question number 3. Here we have to write the first term and the common difference for each of the AP. The first term means the first T1 is known as the first term, that is called A also. Common difference I taught you in the question number 1 also. Same way we will find the this distance. First we will write this all the terms. Distance formula we know, T2 minus T1. So 1 minus 5 we get minus 4. Same way we will solve. So our D is what? Minus 4. So here we get what? The first term is 5 and the common difference is minus 4. The second one is given. We'll write in the terms. We'll use the formula T2 minus T1. So we got 0.3. T3 minus T2. Here also we'll substitute the value. Here also we got the 0.3. So here we got first term is 0.6 and the common difference is 0.3. The next one, we'll arrange it in the term. We'll use the formula of distance, or we can say difference also. So here we got the value 8. So the first term is 127 and the common difference is 8. And the fourth one is given in the fraction form. T2 is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. So the denominator is the same. So 3 minus 1 we get 2 upon 4. So 2 1 the 2, 2 2 is the 4. So answer is 1 upon 2. Same way we will do the other also. We got the here also difference 1 upon 2. The next term also we got the difference 1 upon 2. 2 upon 4 means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here our first term is 1 upon 4 and the common difference is 1 upon 2. I hope you have understood and thank you for watching this video.